Okay, well today we're going to talk about repair or replace. Should I repair my door or replace it? The best advice I could give you is that you should repair it if possible, and most doors, 90% of them, can be repaired. You don't need to replace them. They run along very roughly, but we've got techniques to repair just about all doors, if not all doors. The reason that repair is also a better alternative is because the older doors, the materials they used in the doors is far superior, in my opinion, to what's used in doors these days, and this is a cost factor which comes into it. The cost of the aluminium manufacturer, the extrusions, all that sort of things, the cost of making screws, and so you're better off if you can repair it. Repaired doors, we can modify the bottom of the door, put our roller in it, we can do the track for you, and you'll move it with your little finger. You'll be delighted with its operation. There might be some scraping at the top or other little issues with the door, but generally speaking it'll run beautifully. The other issue now about repair or replace is some people have a track which is very badly worn out or cut up. Don't worry about that. We machine that. We have a special machine we built to do that, and we run along the track, we cut it back to a stump, and then we put a stainless steel track over the top of it, and that's perfectly smooth. So your track problem's solved. You've got good quality rollers in your door. All doors can really be modified to take modern day rollers that are made by a quality company, not imported from overseas. And then the other factor, of course, is cost. Well, you see, you can look on the internet, you can look up a cost of a new door made overseas again, probably $1,500, sounds good. But then it's got to be installed, and then you've got timber work to do, plaster damage, maybe some cement render damage, masonry problems to get that in. They're all got to be paid for. So once again, it's better to repair it because it's, you know, a fraction of the cost to repair it. Do the track, do the rollers, your door will be sliding good for you. You'll be very happy with it.